In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit questions in Surveymonkey, whether your survey is still in draft mode or already live. Let's dive right in so you can make the most of your survey designing experience. First things first, you'll want to open up your survey. Once you have it open, navigate over to the Design Survey tab. This is where all the magic happens. Take a look through your survey and click on any question that you wish to edit. Doing so will bring up the Edit, Options, and Logic settings, giving you full control over how your questions are configured. Now, let's talk about what you can actually change. You have the ability to edit the text of your questions as well as the answer options. This means you can modify the question text, adjust the answer choices, and even tweak the labels. If you need to add new choices, that's completely within your grasp. Just remember, if a question has already received responses, you'll be unable to delete those choices, but you can hide them instead to ensure the integrity of your data. Next up is changing the question type itself. Using the drop-down menu, you can switch the question format around. Perhaps you want to change from multiple choice to a rating scale. That's totally doable. Do keep in mind, however, that some question types cannot be changed once you've started collecting responses. For example, types such as Net Promoter Score, NPS, and Contact Info become fixed at that point. Beyond that, updating display and logic is another area to explore. Under the Options tab, you can toggle settings like required fields, validation rules, layout, or choose to randomize the order of the choices. If your survey requires some branching, or if you want to implement skip or jump logic based on certain answers, you can adjust this under the logic settings. This ensures your survey navigates smoothly and efficiently for each respondent. If you're planning to rearrange, delete, or duplicate questions, the process is straightforward. Simply drag questions to reorder them or even move them between different pages of your survey. However, proceed with caution when deleting questions as it removes all associated responses. If preserving data is crucial, consider hiding answer options instead of deleting them. You can also duplicate questions to easily reuse their structure elsewhere in your survey. Finally, it's important to be aware of the limitations when your survey is live. If your survey has already started collecting responses, there are editing restrictions you need to keep in mind. You can still add or edit questions and hide choices to maintain data integrity. Adjusting logic settings or deleting questions entirely is possible as well. However, you cannot delete choices that have already been answered, only hide them. Moreover, the ability to change certain question types is restricted once answers have been recorded. Understand that deleting questions in a live survey will remove their associated data, but hiding them will preserve it. Lastly, if respondents are in the midst of taking your survey when changes are saved, they'll receive a prompt to restart, ensuring a seamless experience. And that's a wrap. Now you're equipped to make all the necessary edits to your Surveymonkey questionnaire, ensuring it meets your objectives phenomenally.